The AVKANS Pro PTZ Controller is a versatile tool that supports multiple protocols, making it ideal for managing multi-camera setups during live streaming and video production. Installation is simplified with its Power over Ethernet capability, requiring only a single Ethernet cable, and it is compatible with a wide range of PTZ cameras in the market. This controller offers intuitive control over camera movements, focus, and other settings, with user-friendly features like 6 customizable keys to streamline operations. Its 5-inch touchscreen provides an easy setup experience, allowing users to configure network and camera settings all from one convenient interface. The controller includes a high-definition video preview feature on its screen, supporting various connection types to ensure seamless integration with up to 100 cameras. An optional NDI license, currently offered free for testing, enhances its functionality, allowing users to explore and provide feedback on its compatibility with NDI cameras.